Windows 11 redesigned File Explorer leaks online. Here our closer look. Earlier this year, I confirmed that Microsoft is redesigning File Explorer. My sources told me this would be the biggest redesign since Windows 8. While the interface is not changing dramatically, Microsoft is integrating Microsoft 365 into Windows 11, adding drag and drop support to tabs, introducing a new header menu, recommend feeds, and more. Our reporting was based on internal documents I saw and references in Windows 11 preview builds. While Microsoft never confirmed it was working on a new file explorer experience, the tech giant suggests a big refresh is coming in a Windows Insider webcast, where the company said it is moving File Explorer Win app SDK to unlock new APIs. At Build 2023 developer conferences, Microsoft finally teased the all-new modern File Explorer refresh. It's unclear when the update is coming out, but we have accessed an early and unreleased version of the new File Explorer that mirrors what was teased at the conference. Before we take a closer look at the new File Explorer, here the expected changelog of the update. A new header with modern controls and modern search bar and a home button. A search bar is now faster than ever. Microsoft 365 is integrated into File Explorer and you will see 365 content in File Explorer. The sidebar has been updated with a new details pane, a new gallery view for an enhanced Microsoft Photos app-like experience. WinUI 3 and more web controls via XAML. New details pane header design. File Explorer is not changing dramatically, but many new interfaces are worth checking out. For instance, the details pane has been updated with a modern interface that matches the Windows 11 aesthetic. It displays recent activity that provides quick sharing option, enhancing usability. However, the properties dialogues remains starkly white. Awaiting a dark mode update, the File Explorer interface now resembles a web browser more closely echoing the design from the Windows XP and Vista days. The top of the interface feature the address bar, back and forward buttons, and a button, a refresh button, and a search box. The File Explorer commands are below the address bar, reversing the previous layout change introduced with the Windows 11 Moment 2. This responsive repositioning is a part of a broader effort to align File Explorer interface more closely with the Windows 11 design ethos. The navigation bar on the left and the settings page are due for a substantial update. The update File Explorer incorporates modern mica blur effects and drop-down menu for seamless directory navigation. An exciting upcoming feature is the ability to drag and drop tabs outside the inside the File Explorer windows. For example, you can select a drag and tab into its own windows and drag it back into the primary windows. New gallery view. A new gallery feature is coming to Windows 11 showing content and from directories like pictures. This is similar to Microsoft Photos app gallery. Optimize the for recent taken photos. You can also view photos directly from your mobile device thanks to a new button in the command bar that lets you add photos. The redesigned File Explorer in Windows 11 promises a more intuitive, streamlined, and aesthetically pleasing user experience. It should begin rolling out to the general public with the Windows 11 23S2, which is set to arrive in the fall of 2023.